How to add blur animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a blur animation, just head over and then select in here the element that you want to apply it with. I'll select in here this image. From in there, click onto this open inspector icon that we can see right here. It should able to show us this. So click onto this icon in order to proceed to the animations and effects. So since you want to add a blur animation, just head over right here to the entrance and click onto this add. You can see in here the blur animation, so you can click on that and it should be able to blur this particular image on entrance and actually show up like that. So you have shown in here an actual preview of what that will look like. So it will also automatically save the changes and you can head over and publish it. So that's how you add blur animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.